Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make Facebook post on Canva account. So first of all, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have a Canva account, open my first video. You watch the first video to how you can make the Canva account. Beautiful logo, beautiful templates for Facebook posts. So if you have a fitness journey account on Facebook, you can select the fitness journey for post and we're gonna change into gone gym and change the color into this. So make a theme and change all the colors of the post. So this is the first post. Add a page. We're gonna make one post for 1 2 3 posts for females. So first we're gonna make first we're gonna make 3 to 4 posts for males and then go to the females. So we're gonna change the color of the image. So undo. Now we're gonna go copy that image, upload, and we're gonna write if you have to download that image. So copy the post and delete all the layers of the post we have. All the layers are deleted now. So click on share, download, and click on the unselect it all and select the page number 1, done, and download it. The image is downloading. So open your downloading here and go to upload files select that and upload this, and now delete the page number 1 and go back to that, zoom in a little bit and select that image from the uploading side and put it like here, like this. Undo that image, adjust the image like this, and put it here like this. Now we're gonna change the colors into our theme. We're gonna change the outline circle color into black. Okay, now change all the gray colors into black. Whey protein 100% natural whey protein, muscle growth, changes body fat, loss performance 20%. We're gonna change it to 65%. And shop now, put your number here and put your website number here. There we can make 2 posts for our fitness. Add a page, go back to the design and scroll it down a little bit and click on this. Now we're gonna again change all the texts and the colors. So text color is, we're gonna change first the image, uploads, go to the uploads, select the image and put it like here. Control C, undo the image and undo. Go back again, select that and go to uploads, select this one. Now we're gonna adjust it a little bit like this, and okay, now we're gonna change the color and change the text into white. We're gonna change this color into black and this one also into black. No, the selection is wrong. So we have made 3 posts on male. Now we can make 3 posts for female. So again go to the design, select the first image again and now select this image and put it down. The first image is that one. We're gonna copy the image and delete, paste it here. copy that image and we're gonna delete that image and paste it here. First of all, to select the background area and color it into black, then put the image like this. Okay, delete that one. We're gonna duplicate this one, down, down, and copy that image and paste it here. Like this. We're gonna again that, copy that image, delete this post and paste it here like this. Okay, now we're gonna do that. We're gonna delete this one and duplicate that one, down, put it downwards and add an page, select this image, copy the image of female and paste it here. Simple. And